So I've got something to show y'all. I came out this morning and this had bloomed. Let me see if I can get back here. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? I love the colors of this. I bought this bush last year from our favorite greenhouse nursery, and I love these colors. I just love them. What a beautiful blessing to walk out to this morning after the rains we had yesterday. Thank you, Lord, for the rains. We definitely needed them. This was our garden last year. Well, for the past several years. This all was garden. And this year we're letting it rest. And we may let it rest next year too, if this container garden works like I hope it does. My butterfly bushes, they got a good drink. Oh, look. Got some blooms. I love butterfly bushes. I love butterflies. I love everything. Over here are my apple trees. We've got a Granny Smith way up there. Next to it is a Gala apple. And then these last two here are Arkansas Blacks. And the people we got the Granny Smith and the Gala apple from gave us these two Arkansas Blacks. I had never heard of them, but I'm excited to see what they do. I'm excited to see the apples on them. Now they are small. I don't expect to get anything off of them this year, but hopefully in the next couple of years, next few years, we will get something off of them. And then let's check on the Gala. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my goodness. Look. It's a little apple. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. And then the Granny Smith. These are really good cooking apples. These and the Galas, actually. And I'm excited that we added them to the orchard. Now let's walk over here and check on our berries and stuff. We just started our orchard this year. So, raspberry. And that may be a weed growing there with it. I'm not quite sure. This raspberry is looking so good. When I bought this one, it was just a little stick, and it wasn't doing much. Had nothing on it. Another raspberry. Oh, look what I found. A big old blackberry. Yes, yes. Thank you, Lord, for the rain. This blackberry right here, it got a mound of fire ants under it, so we had to get rid of them. But look, y'all, there's berries. Oh, yes. Yes. Here we've got a blueberry bush. Look at all those blueberries. Y'all, I can't even tell you how excited I am and how blessed I am. How blessed I feel to be seeing all this. There's another blackberry. Oh, there's another blackberry on that one. I see you. I will be picking you very soon. We will be making blueberry jam. And then here we've got a couple of mulberries. He found me. He found me. Now let's go over here and check our wild blackberries. I'm hoping that they are popping and coming. Oh, bug flew at me. Sorry. Oh, there's a little black one right there. I'm hoping that with the rain, they come on out.
Hey, Nanny.
What, honey?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Yeah.
Okay, just a minute. Nanny's looking for blackberries. We got to see if we can find any. Oh, I see a bunch right over there. There's some that are ripe. Aiden, come back over here, please.
Why?
Because. And then we have our elderberry, one of them. We've got several young elderberry bushes here that we just planted. And I'm walking through and looking. Oh, I see some more. There's some more blackberries right there. Yay. Yay. We will be picking within the next couple of days. And hopefully this weekend I will start making some blackberry jam, making some blackberry pudding. Oh yes, it's on. And there's breakfast. Sausage steaks and bacon that we prepped the other day. And oatmeal. Let's go eat, y'all.
I don't want to step in this chocolate spray paint.
Did you get you some books?
Yes. That I think I like.
Think so?
Yeah. And this one is My Brother the Pest.
All right, off to our next adventure.
Bye.
All right, guys, I think that's going to do it for us today. We have had a very full and productive day. Aiden is having some playtime in the pool to get some of his energy out. Nanny lost all of her energy a long time ago. Let's be clear about that. So I forgot to take a clip of dinner or supper tonight. Aiden had a homemade Uncrustable with some Doritos, and I had a BLT sandwich and chips from the bacon that I meal prepped earlier in the week. And whoops, I'm gonna fall down the hill. Paps had, what did he have? He had a frozen meal from Aldi. So we're working on cleaning this freezer out. Doing a pretty good job at it too. If y'all can tell, I'm tired. I'm so tired. It's been a good day. So we're gonna end this here. Thank you all for watching. If you wouldn't mind, give me a thumbs up. Like this video. And I hope that you think about subscribing to our channel so that you can keep up with our journey and this crazy thing we call life. Much love to you all. Thank y'all for watching, and we will see you guys in the next one. Have a good evening, morning, afternoon, whatever the case may be where you're at and when you're watching. Bye, y'all.